Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This is going to be their flagship boat. This is an absolutely beautiful boat. We've got the Horizon hull side color, white hull bottom, black gel stripe on here, gorgeous looking setup. Let's take a look at some of the features that this boat has around the back. All right, as we come around to the stern of the boat here, we've got some really cool options in the back. This is set up with our Mercruiser Bravo 3 drives. We have our full hydraulic swim platform in here, the underwater lights, and this also has the dynamic running surface so you can see our trim tabs that are going to be built right in and be part of that whole drive system. On the transom of the boat, we've got a lot of great features. From our hydraulic swim platform in the rear, to our massive amount of storage underneath the back hatch here. We have our swing away opening, giving you the ability to really get back and relax on the back of this boat and entertain. And with that, we're gonna have the full hydraulic side that you can drop down, giving you that big entertainment area. With the SLX, we do have the premium audio system on here with the Elite package, so you do have speakers on the transom as well. So you're gonna have all those tunes that you want moving throughout the entire boat. All zones customizable. As we move into the cockpit of the boat, we're gonna have a ton of cool features. Up above here, we're gonna have our Sure Shade, which is an automatic extending sunshade, goes back over your rear platform area. Also on the hardtop, we have our LED lights throughout the boat. Also color changing, the new RGB setup in here, and our nice soft top opening in here as well. Nice big teak table, matches very well with our gray interior, as well as our gray SeaDeck flooring glued down throughout. Really nice setup, very clean. This setup is also going to have a grill, as well as refrigerator, garbage, and silverware holder. Tons and tons of storage throughout this boat with access everywhere. Also coming up to the passenger side here, our chair moves into multiple different setups so you can lock it into place, maximizing that entertainment level. Really giving you a nice rounded out open feel for the cockpit of the boat. All right, now at the helm of the boat, we're gonna have dual capstan chairs with flip up bolsters, very, very comfortable. Looking over at our console here, we're gonna have dual shifters for both of our 380 horsepower Mercruiser engines. This also has the joystick on here, so you've got the ability to literally side shift this boat and spin it on a dime when it comes to getting in those tough parking spots. It's not a problem. Moving from here, we are also going to have adjustability for our trim tabs. All of our main functions are still going to have buttons on here. Everything else is going to be set up with our dual digital dash, giving you the ability to really customize everything on here. Simrad is a great unit and it gives you full functionality on everything on here. You're going to be able to bring up your maps, your engine diagnostics and specs, and all of your controls for all of your lighting, all of everything on your other screen. You can mix and match how you like it so that it works out best for you. Like I'd said before, this does have the premium audio on it as well. So we do have the touchscreen audio system on here with multiple zone controls for you to be really able to customize where you want your tunes and how loud you want it to be. All right, now as we move through the port side access to the bow, we're gonna have our TV storage right here on the side. Makes it nice and easy to tuck away. Nice big open walkway all the way through up to our bow here. We do have the wind dam on here, as well as a nice big fold over for the windshield, giving you the ability to really close off the interior cabin as the temps get colder or it's extra blustery out. Around the front here, we've got a massive amount of seating. In the front, you've got open areas, access to your windlass anchor up on the front, and 2 different panels. We also have the teak table in the front with its own storage area, drop down into the hull here. It's a really nice open layout, super comfortable for entertaining. All right, as we come downstairs here into our midship cabin, we're gonna have a lot of great features. We have a TV on the wall here, all of our stereo controls, nice open wraparound seating area for hanging out, refrigerator, microwave, nice open walkway coming down. This table actually drops down and turns this area into another sleeping area as well. And coming over here to our head area, We do still have full shower capabilities with the wet head. As we take a look at the main sleeping area in the forward portion of the midship cabin, we have a great big amount of space. Very open. We have storage in the overhead compartments, TV, curtain to be able to close this off, have it nice and dark, make it nice and private. Very, very usable space within the 400 SLX. Thank you for joining us today on the walkthrough of a 2023 Sea Ray 400 SLX. Give us a call, set up an appointment, come in and view this boat at Rogers MarineMax.